Yeah. Hello, I don't eat these. Welcome back to I Wish My Name Was Evan. It's been a while since I made a video. We're going to make one today. But just to give you a heads up, I'm going to be changing the name of the channel, probably to Snow Forge or something like that. What we got going on today is I have a new anvil. I am in the process of making a three-legged stand for it. It's the first time I've done this. The reason I didn't record everything is because I had no idea what I was doing. But I want to tell you where I'm at now and what's going to happen. These are the three legs. These are galvanized. So you see a line here. I soaked them in vinegar after I cut them to remove the galvanized coating, and I will wear a respirator when I weld up here. I have a little mesh thing here. It's in the center. You'll see when I rotate it around. That's going to be for putting things on. It's just a little shelf underneath, and I've got two pieces of round stock going around so I can hang hammers and stuff here. The point I'm at now, I want to weld these things on, and it's been recommended to me that I fill these hollow legs with oily sand to give it additional weight. So I'm going to mix that up. I've never done this. We'll see how it goes. I will show you what I'm using. Oh, by the way, yeah, this is my metal shop, part of the forge, my welding area. We've got electricity out here now. That's one of the big things that has kept me away. I'm trying to kind of redo it with a little more equipment that's going to make my life easier. It's my pan. To mix it. I'm just going to show you what I'm going to do. You don't have to watch me mix it. I'm using Mobile 1 or 5W30, and I'm using multi-purpose sand. There's a good reason I picked these two things. They were both in my garage. So I want to remind you, I'm outside, I'm wearing respiratory protection, so I'm not concerned. I'm not going to sit here in the fumes, but I'm safe. Okay, here I am at the end of this video, and I'm going to show you what I did. I welded some stuff on. I actually tack welded that mesh with a rod, and it kind of burned it up quite a bit. So there's a little what do you call it there? Little wire holding it together as well. Here, let me see if I can do this without making anyone sick. I've been working on this for a while. It's 20.5 inches tall. The anvil is going to, what is it, like 11.5 or something. So that's what I based it on. The welds are ugly, but they hold. I'm not a good welder. Oh, one thing I wanted to point out is the first leg that I put the oily sand in ended up leaking oil. So I'm going to leave it overnight for a few days. We'll see what comes of it. I might come back and redo some welds. That's it. Thank you. Let's see. Okay. Yeah. Oh, here we go. This looks post-apocalyptic. Good night.